Thank you very much for joining me. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. Some of us getting some needed rain, as we talked about on Friday, some of that pumping our way. Let me show you why. Here's the broad picture, and you see a lot of action down toward Colombia that's been feeding into Venezuela. And finally, we had some rain in parts of Aruba, Curacao, Bonaire. Other spots have had rain. This little flow here in the Eastern Caribbean brought us at least some passing showers. Barbados, St. Lucia at times this weekend. Trinidad and Tobago, we have been on the dry side. But let me show you what's happening here. This is what's going on, and at least it is a sign that the pattern, the overall super dry pattern, has been breaking down, because we have been so dry in Honduras, Belize, elsewhere. For example, St. Kitts and Nevis, we have been so dry in the Eastern Caribbean. But this right here is a disturbance sliding by. Trough low pressure, whatever you want to call it, kind of acts like a tropical wave. It's not a true tropical wave, but it acts that way as it slides through. It's been cranking up some moisture. The Bahamas, we've been a little bit unsettled, not so much northern Bahamas, but central, southern, back through the Turks and Caicos, and this will provide us with another decent chance of rain, especially Haiti, Jamaica, Cayman Islands, Cuba today. And I want to take you elsewhere and show you where we're going to see showers flaring up. So here's a look at what to expect today. Even near Belize, not all of us are going to get rain, but we'll see that chance of rain through parts of the Yucatan of Mexico as well, watching over toward Cozumel, chance of getting some rain. And then down through Honduras, on the edge of Guatemala, Panama, some showers, but Colombia, and again, near the ABC Islands, you see that little kind of feed on the backside of this disturbance, bringing in some moisture today. And this is by 8 this evening. So once we combine this with daytime heating, it sparks off a few more showers. Look at Cuba, for example. It's not all of us, but some of us get some rain. Same thing. The Dominican Republic, I should say, as well, and Haiti, getting that chance of some rain and storms later today, watching Jamaica and the Cayman Islands. Now, as we move forward, watching overnight, Turks, Caicos, southern Bahamas, that chance of rain. This is by tomorrow. My friends in Anguilla, British Virgin Islands, U.S. Virgin Islands, Antigua and Barbuda, not as much passing variety. Guyana and Suriname, we've had some rain at times, and I'm going to be watching that picking up a little bit more so again for tomorrow. Got my eye on you. For us in Trinidad, again, not much. We're kind of in between things, so breaking it down into Wednesday. This is by Wednesday, still more unsettled or northern zones. Puerto Rico, we could get a few afternoon showers, still some scattered showers. Southern Bahamas, Turks, Caicos, Cuba, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Jamaica, Cayman Islands, not as much on Wednesday, at least the chance is lower as we work our way into Belize. So let me break down the rain chance, or rather rain totals, by location. And this gives us a feel. It's not going to be exact, but again, you see some of the brighter colors showing up in Haiti and the Dominican Republic. If you get some of the thunderstorms, not all of us will. Some spots are going to stay dry in the DR. Others, we're going to get some rain. But if you do get some rain, we could get some good downpours of 75 millimeters to 100 millimeters. That pink or that white shading you're seeing there, watching out for scattered showers that could give us anywhere from 25 millimeters plus in parts of Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, and Colombia. That's where we've seen more of the scattered showers breaking out. And again, trying to feed back toward the ABC Islands. But ABC Islands over toward the Eastern Caribbean, passing variety. Guyana and Suriname, though, will have some higher totals where we could have some spots around 50 to about 75 millimeters of rain. That's about 2 to 3 inches of rain. Now, sea is a little bit choppier with this disturbance sliding by. This right here in the central Caribbean at about 2 to 3 meters. So that's just over 6 feet to just over 9 feet. So about 2 to 3 meters. Things are a little bit bumpier. And then again to the east of the Eastern Caribbean, which includes the seas around Barbados. We're going to be dealing with some choppier stuff. So watching that for you. Got you covered for any fishing interest and my captains out there. Now, Belize today. Today, I hope we get some rain, because today we have that better chance. Again, we've had some rain over the last few days in spots. A 60% chance of rain today. It does go down to a 30% chance tomorrow. Working our way through the Cayman Islands today and tomorrow, a 50 to 60% chance of rain, and that includes overnight. We'll see that chance of rain. Jamaica, a 60 to 70% chance. Not all day, not quite for everyone, but again, things will flare up later today in through tonight with that trough of low pressure nearby. Haiti, same thing, and same thing in the Dominican Republic. About a 60 to 70% chance of rain and storms the next few days. That is good for the cisterns, but again, spots have been dry. So if you get those thunderstorms, please watch out for a quick rise in some of the rivers, especially if you use those to cross via bike or car or just on foot. Just a heads up with some of those rivers. Trinidad and Tobago, the rain chance, spotty. 30-40% chance. Again, a little more to the north, a little more down to the south. This includes Grenada, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Lucia. Rain chance not too terribly high. So stormy pattern for some, still too dry in other spots. Now, the hurricane season starts June 1st. And with this little impulse moving through, it is a sign that we're starting to see things change, at least breaking out of that super dry pattern that we've been in as we transition toward the wet season and the hurricane season. No signs of development yet. And today, being May 15th, that is the start of the Eastern Pacific season. Things usually get going a little bit earlier there. Nothing due now, but I'm keeping an eye on the Pacific as well as we go throughout the season. So like I did last year, so I'll keep an eye on if anything is brewing out there. So it's about to get more active in the tropics, but no signs of any immediate development. In the meantime, watching some of the thunderstorms. Keep me posted. If you get downpours today, leave a comment. Let me know where they are, and I'll pass along that information. Thank you for being part of this weather community. Have a good rest of your day.